We love Bill.com. And as a company, we've used Bill.com for our accounts payable and accounts receivable processes for years. Using FinOptimal's app Accruer, you can do prepaid expense accounting for your accrual basis books while you're doing AP using Bill.com. All you need to do is write 3 words in a description in Bill.com, and Accruer will automatically calculate and book every journal entry and create a schedule that you can reconcile against or give to an auditor.
You'll use Bill.com like you always do, but this time, in the description, you'll include the words for the period and specify the dates that you would like Accruer to spread this transaction over. You can select the Use This for Expense description box if you normally do. But if you don't, you can simply enter for the period in the line description as shown here. When Bill.com syncs with QuickBooks, it'll have for the period in the description, so Accruer will automatically calculate and book every journal entry immediately. If we look at the P&L, we can see it's booked $2,000 a month, straight lining it across those dates. And yes, Accruer can do prorations too if you need it to. And of course, we weren't going to skip the balance sheet. You can see that Accruer has journaled that $24,000 prepaid expense balance all the way to zero. Again, it's all happening based on the description. And it doesn't just calculate and book journal entries, it also creates the backup file. Here's an example of the support you can get from the system. You'll see it's a traditional roll forward schedule where you're seeing the beginning balances, what was added, what's been recognized, what the ending balances are. It's fully audit ready.
And you can have this within minutes of watching this video. Simply go to our site, finoptimal.com, click the sign up button, select a few settings, and you are ready to go. It has never been easier to do prepaid expense accounting in QuickBooks Online.